What's going on, everybody? This is Sean from BMW South Austin. Today I'm here with a 2020 pre-owned BMW Z4 S-Drive 30i, finished in this stunning San Francisco red metallic paint color. On today's episode of Tech Tuesday, I'll be showing you the convertible roof operation on your BMW. Hopping on in, you're going to look down at your center console, and right below the iDrive scroller wheel, you're going to locate the roof operation switch. Now to put your roof down in park, just make sure your foot is firmly on the brake and push and hold this switch down. In order to put the roof up, you simply do the same thing, but rather than pushing and holding this button down, you're going to simply hold it up. Once you get that confirmation chime, that means your roof is securely latched and you're ready to go. Now, one thing to note on convertible BMWs, you can operate the roof while on the move as long as your speed does not exceed 31 miles per hour. Another way to put the roof down is simply by using your key fob, push and hold the unlock button down, and your roof should go down shortly. You can also close the roof by pushing and holding the lock button.